Hi guys, in previous video we made this particular project. An idea, what if we have an ArcoLinuXL ISO, add some things from the chaotic AOR and add extra chadwm. This project can still be tweaked. I'm gonna call it the ArcoLinux Prime, right? All I need to do is keep track of the changes I've made, that's already done here, and prime it, make it better. It's okay, but it's almost okay. So what we did here was in the installation script, in the Arch ISO, we compared this one with this one. But now let's really go for the future system. What do I want on my future system? So Chromium is something I'd like to have. Darktable, no thank you. Firefox, no, I'll take the Firefox ESX from chaotic AOR. Calculator, Genie, GIMP is something I'd like to have. Inkscape is something I'd like to have. No, sure, Shrot, yeah. Termite, no. And off we go, right? We go and check the things that we want. What else? We were up here. No, that's cool. Baobab, bat, catfish, crony. All good. FileZilla I want as well. If this were really my ISO builder, right? What's the things I'd like to have? And that we'll call it Prime and put it on our ArcoLinux Nemesis script. Is just the file. That's all you need to keep, this file. And all the rest comes from ArcoLinux. No. Gparted. Actually, Gparted once installed. I don't need Gparted. And we are here. Nomax was Nomax GTK S6, so that's okay. Not use Shotwell, don't use it often, don't use time shift either. I don't have laptops, so TLP can go out. UFW, isn't that, what was it again? So once at some point in time you'll say, hey, what's this, right? Just go read. Uncomplicated, easy to close. Firewall. Firewall. What's Eric using? Not a firewall. So, oh, Control Z. Out. Don't need these, I think. I'll check it out later. YouTube download, I don't do that. Tree is actually something that I do use. Tree from time to time. All right. We continue. Oh my God. All right. Vivaldi's, yes, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna go for Surfing and for a Candy Beauty icon theme. That's my default, and Surfing is there. You want to change things up. Yeah. We have some things that we put on here, like Broadcom. Find Broadcom. So this is for you guys, right? It's a driver that I don't have. So Control find. Another one that I don't have is Realtek and RTL. This one is also not needed for me. So that also has a hashtag for me. Okay, that's important. Good. That I think about it, otherwise I have to remove it later on. Yeah, we're here somewhere. Side of the icons. Okay, here we are. Alacrity. MK was what we choose. Peak, I don't think it's still maintained. It was nice while it lasted. That's sometimes the case, huh? With these free things. Okay. In one of the other videos I said, hey, maybe you'd like something else as yay bin. So yay, I wrote yay again, yay. And then you see that there are possibilities, yay git, yay debug, etc. So if I want to stay ahead of things, it might be a good thing to get the very last package, and if something is wrong with it, I can withhold it for the users. So this one becomes git, because this doesn't exist. Find the very last push, very last commit. So if they made a typo, yep, you've got a thing that's not working anymore. That's git. I think bin is out, git is in. Yakuake, I like it very much, but this is basically F12 for Plasma. We have xfce4 terminal F12, so that's cool. No gaming, not my cup of tea. Can debug icon theme, so the icons are here, and the GTK3 setting is here. Okay, I don't want conkeys, so the conkeys are out. Done. This is my system, right? My choices. I'm actually not a Plank guy. Never use Plank. How can I when on chadwm? So Plank it is. That was the configuration. Where is the application? We missed one. Plank is out. Let's go back here. Do stay out of the ArcoLinux Calamares stuff. That's something to be left alone. That's how things get installed. So all out of this bit here, and out of this bit. Mugshot Menu Libre, that's for xfce. So that's okay. If I wanted i3, I could, right? I've got i3 with ArcoLinux i3 config and done. But no, xfce and chadwm is okay. Alex appearance is here. Okay, and all that. Now, if it would be me, I probably would not install all these plugins. Clipman, sure, Clipman might be interesting, but not this. CPU graphs, date time, probably yes. Dictionary, I don't know what that is, but ICE, sure, FS guard, file system guard. No idea what it is. Up. So, and if there are plugins that I'm missing, I'll just add them later on, and then change the packages list again, build it. Screensavers, who cares? Sensors, plugins, smart boot, system load. Eric, what you're doing? Do this. But the whisker menu is something you like. Timer, I don't know. Task manager, yes. System load. Sensor, screen shooter, yes. Screensaver, no. Notification daemon, yes. And that's about it, I think. Like I said, don't know what this is, so we'll see. Date, time, I suppose that's the date and the time. Obviously, I think. We'll see. And there was some more stuff. ArcoLinux meta log. Alacrity themes, time, pace, spark lines, fish, rip grab, all good. That's fine. Vimix cursors, ArcoLinux glades, high fetch, this one, and then flat remix colloid cursor for Firefox. Fat red is out. Voila. And here are our choices. So you can make a remark like this and then type something like ArcoLinux Prime. Basically it's an XL setup, and we just give it a name. And this thing, you keep it. That's all you need, and all the rest is coming from us. All you need is a repo somewhere or GitHub or somewhere, and in personal, in settings for example, we put here create folder ArcoLinux Prime, and we know what it is. Ctrl V. This is what you can put in 6 month time. You download it again, change that file or compare, meld, right? And then you have an ISO. Keep track of the things you've done already in the past and keep changing them. All right, let's see, right? Are you not curious? I am. Off we go. And once it's numbering, when you see these number lines, these guys, yep. No, we're still not in the clear. We're still not in the clear. It's checking the keys, that's good. Checking package integrity, wait for it. Here is Git. FileZilla. And we can almost put the video in pause. Once it's going to do this, then we can pause the video, walk away, drink your coffee, go for dinner, go for a walk, come back, and you got an ISO. Let's pause. Almost there. Curious to see what we get. First of all, how big is it for the article? So we always take this number down here, 3.1. So Inkscape, GIMP, a few things are in here. Let's put it in the article. We went from 2.9 previous video to 3.1, which is actually not that bad. We have Inkscape, GIMP. Well, lots of, two of those already big applications. Anyway, let's try it out. Super F7. We've named the little rascal Prime. That's just the name we came up with because we're proud to have a new ISO based on ArcoLinuXL that has chadwm, but also all the things you like, all the things you want, and nothing that, not any package that you don't want, right? That's the goal. 100% happiness with the build. Now all that you need to keep safe is the packages file that you put somewhere on the GitHub, GitLab, Gitbucket. What's the name of the other one? There's another one that might be interesting. Forgot it. But SourceForge has also one, that's true. I'm thinking about one of them. Well, search free GitHub or Git. We'll let it install. That's the thing, what I always keep telling you in videos. What you see is what you get. WYSIWYG in short. What you see is what you get. So we can have a look here, because what you now see is what you get. There is no sense going to advanced because you've made your work, right? You did your work. You checked what applications do you want. So why would you go for advanced and then select more? You should have put them on the ISO. That's why we're always going for simple. So let's go move away here and let's have a look. So the icons are, well, let's call it a mess. When we boot up, but that's not important. We can set that later. That's so easy. Setting icons, boom, boom, done. But yeah, if you're an ISO builder, if you actually want to give your ISO to somebody else, then maybe, right, you should have a look at how to do that. But there you go. Changed. That's nothing. That's zero problem, zero issues. So here we have all kinds of things. Software is present. I could remove something here. Vim. I'm not a Vim user. I really am not. So I go back to maybe here and to the desktop, to this one, and the only file you need to keep safe is this one. Vim. Where are you? Vim. There he is. So why would I put something on the ISO that I'm not gonna use? As in ever. Save. So next build, no Vim. And that's how you improve and improve all the time. Anything here that I don't want or anything missing. Flameshot kit. Where is Flameshot kit? I would be missing Flameshot kit. Where is Flameshot kit? Control find Flameshot. Not there. Not present. Okay, all the way down. We're missing Flameshot git. Next iteration, next build, you'll have it. And that's how you do things. Code. I'm missing code. Git head is good, git fiend as well. I always think it's gonna break git head, but it keeps on rocking. So code is something I'd like, but the problem is with the word. Sudo pacman -s visual studio code bin. Is that the one that I have now? Visual Studio Code bin. Yes, that's the one I've installed. That's the one I want to have. There's also code. Visual Studio Code bin. Visual Studio Code bin is what I'd like next time around. And what else were we thinking? Git fiend. Huh? Still don't know how to pronounce it. Somebody knows. So sudo pacman -remove git f. That's it. Okay, check. So that's two things I'm missing in that particular development thing. Graphics viewer. Here's GIMP, here's Inkscape, Ristretto, Nomax, got enough. Chromium, Vivaldi, Firefox, ESR from Chaotix, Telegram, and QPtorrent. Cool. I got VLC and Simple Screen Recorder. If you're an OBS Studio guy, right? I only use OBS Studio when on Wayland. Simple Screen Recorder doesn't work there. So if you say I prefer to use sudo pacman -s OBS, now you need to know how to write it. OBS Studio, here it is. Right, we have the Git, we have the stable. I think I always take this one. It's an option. I'll just put it in as an option. So not installed. But I figured it out already, what name is it and so on. And then internet, yep, done. Multimedia, done. Office, I'm not an Office guy. Rofi, yes, sure. Settings. And then Bluetooth, default settings, Gparted. I do have gparted installed. I thought I was going to say niet to that. It might be a dependency. Yep. I said niet and it's still installed. Depends. Sudo pacman -sy, they say. Do it. None. Maybe a calamaris thing. That might be. Yeah. And yeah. And ArcoLinux welcome tool as well. They have also the option to have gparted there. So that might be the reason why. Okay, go on. Then it's there, that's fine. We can always remove it later. If you really want to remove it. Okay. All right. We have added via chaotic these guys. These guys, blue, brown, green, flat green, flat red, all kinds of colors. And we go to serve from Tela as end, station, mouse and touchpad. We have themes, we have the Vimix cursors, which look like, well, yeah, I need to reboot, like this. Check this out, whitish, a red skull there when you want to kill something. Wow. So that's there as well. And we had the Firefox ESR from Chaotic. Let's see. Are you done? Yes, he's done. And the major thing is, I don't want to be in xfce. It needs to be there. It's a failsafe if chadwm doesn't work for some reason and I end up in a SADM screen and that's it. Then at least I can take xfce and I don't need to go to TTY. So this is goodbye for me, xfce. I do not love you anymore. I change it by in this fashion that xfce is out, chadwm is in, and I reboot. SR is shorter than reboot. And from now on, the world will be this. Maybe I still need to set some icons and all that. Yep, that's it. Super C, Super Shift Enter, fine. Those are the icons I want. I have the cursor that I like. And you know the drill, there is something hidden away in bin. ArcoLinux change theme, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, make it your own, create something with your own name and call it Eric. Change the names inside the file and immediately you have something that is set right. Arc, dark, candy, beauty, icon theme. Not all sans 11, maybe 12, right? Why not 12? Maybe 14, makes probably we'll see it. And we bought a modern ice and everything is set. If you run this, it's gonna be big. Log out, log in. Well, not too big for me. I can easily use the resizing there. Ctrl Alt F is what I pressed, but yeah. Ctrl Alt F is Firefox, but this is Firefox ESR. Well, let me explain you something. What can I do? Oh, sorry. What can I do? I can make a link. This is user bin Firefox ESR, right? What if I say to the system sudo link to user bin Firefox ESR to where the destination first, and then I'm gonna create a link called user bin Firefox, because all the key bindings and the Control Alt F is pointing to user bin Firefox and doesn't exist. So what if I make a link from user bin Firefox to Firefox ESR? Control Alt F. Knowledge is everything, and that's what we are here for on ArcoLinux. By Conky, oops, sorry, other key combo there. Super C. Hey, Super C. I can't kill my Conky. Yeah, I deleted one of my packages. No problem. I don't need the package. .config, put it here. ArcoChdwm, put it here, because in the end I just don't want to see this anymore. So in the run.sh we run all kinds of things, and what we don't want to see is the conky. Bye conky. Next time around we'll boot up without a conky. Maybe we'd like Pamac tray to be there, and variety. Save. Super Shift X, log out, back in. No conky, variety is there, Pamac is there, and off you go. Give me the next wallpaper, but first I do var, and with var comes new configurations in, and the best way to show that is Super X, log out, log in, new instance of variety. He's fetching now wallpapers for me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila. A wallpaper that I've never seen before, that's coming from Wallhaven. Super simple, super fine, super easy. He's gonna fetch me wallpapers looking like this, like that, like this, like that, and like this. So that's the fun. People always ask me, can you send me the wallpaper? Guys, do this. Do this. That's all you need to do. Alright, I'm out. We'll probably need to save the file again, so I'll do that for you. So we've made some changes. This can go, that's unimportant, just playing around. The desktop has a new file, packages x86. We've made some minor adjustments. Control C, put it safe somewhere online. In my case, ArcoLinux Nemesis. You can have a look at my config of the ArcoLinuXL Prime. That's all you need to keep track of. That particular replace file, and in 3 months, 6 months time, we'll build it again and we'll see. All right, cheers.